Introducing the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, the pinnacle of commercial strength and 5-star luxury. This machine redefines super sea travel and is built on a tough, next-generation chassis, usually a unique T2000/W900 conversion or the renowned T680. When parked, the aerodynamic exterior's sculpted lines, bright LED headlights, deep steel storage bays, bedline compartments, and many electric slide-outs significantly increase the living area. The heart of a monster is located behind the dominating hood, a huge, high-torque engine, usually the PACCAR MX-13 or Cummins X15, that produces up to 1,850 pound-feet of torque and 455 to 605 horsepower. With the help of a smooth 12-speed automatic gearbox and an extensive air ride suspension system, this beast can pull almost anything you can connect and handles like a dream. The pilot's seat serves as a command center for technology. The leather seats in the Kenworth cabin are heated and cooled, and the air ride pedestals can be turned 180 degrees to connect to the main living space. A massive 15-inch digital driver display and a 10-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are at the heart of the overall experience, which is all about safety and connection. With features like a 360-degree video system, Bendix Fusion collision prevention, and predictive cruise control to reduce long-haul tiredness, here is where luxury and transportation technology come together. You are immediately taken from the street to an upscale apartment as soon as you enter through the automatic entrance door. With walls completed in soft-touch cushion materials and heated porcelain tile flooring measuring 12 by 24 inches, the main cabin exudes domestic elegance. The lounge space is furnished with comfortable and conversation-friendly Mastrato Italian hide leather furniture, which frequently includes a convertible booth dinette and a huge couch sleeper. A 50-inch 4K smart LED TV with a soundbar and wireless subwoofer provides a full home theater experience, while an advanced system of dimmable LED ambient lighting overhead creates the ideal atmosphere. Unwind in a separate master bedroom suite that has the atmosphere of a small hotel. A residential-sized memory foam mattress, usually a king size, serves as the focal point, while nightstands with built-in USB charging connections flank it. Large maple hardwood vanity and wardrobe cupboards, frequently pre-wired and connected for an optional washing and dryer, meticulously use the available space. A 43-inch 4K smart LED TV is set up for best viewing and pleasure, making it the ideal retreat after a tiring day of travel. Last but not least, the private bath is a real luxury retreat. It has a large solid surface shower with sliding glass doors and tile inlays on the walls and floor. An LED-lit vanity mirror illuminates the flawless Cambria quartz countertop and integrated sink that sit above the vanity. With a porcelain macerator toilet with a push-button flush and an AquaHot hydronic water and zone heating system that ensures hot water and constant warmth wherever your trip takes you, comfort is key. The kitchen is as well equipped for a serious cook as any upscale home. There is a deep undermount sink and large Cambria quartz counters throughout. Among the appliances are a big stainless steel convection microwave oven, a flush-mount 2-burner induction cooktop with bespoke butcher block covers, and a 23 cubic foot residential French door refrigerator, occasionally a Samsung bespoke model with a family hub. Maple hardwood cabinets with dovetail drawers on soft closing slides and modular storage peg systems for organizing offers plenty of storage.